So today I got an email from our Bangkok IT team saying that the users are seeing Apple Intelligence window when they are configuring the machine, which we don't want to. And because I work from Europe and Apple Intelligence is not yet enabled here, so I didn't even remember I have to do. So I'll quickly show you how I'm going to do it. So what I would do is I'll create a, because this client has kanji, so I'll show you it in kanji. So you click on add profile, so add new profile, and then this thing is showing in setup, right? So you go to setup assistant, add and configure. It is for Mac. If you go to this window, you could, with one click, you could disable everything. But in this case, I just want to create profiles specially for Apple Intelligence. So Kanji already has it. So I'll do this here, disable AI, save it. That's it. And I would deploy it to the user and it's done. If your tool doesn't have this option, you could run a command line. You remember there's a command called defaults read, and the file that, let me quickly show you the file. Set setup assistant. Okay. So if you open this file, you would see, but today we are going to look at Apple Intelligence false. In my case, it's saying false because it never showed. That means because it's not yet enabled in Europe, so it never showed it to me. So it's false. When they enable, that day it would show it to me. So what we want is we change this value to true, and that's it. After that, it should be, it shouldn't show it. So what we have to do is either make change in this file using the file itself, using the profile, or using the command line. So this time what we would do is, I'm not sure if you guys already know about defaults read command, com.apple.setup assistant. It reads the plist file, okay, and it shows the value in nice format. So here is our Apple Intelligence. It says 0. That means it never showed to me. What we have to do is change it to 1. That means it has showed to me and it would never show me again. So defaults write. We just now we read. Now we have to write on that file. So this is the file, and then which value do you want to write? So you select this. Generally 0 is, and 1 is in written or considered in terms of boolean. I never tried as integer. Maybe it would work, but let's say let's do what we have to. So we do boolean true, and then when we read it, you would see it says 1 now. That means it understands that, okay, I've already shown it to this user and I would not show it again. But that's what it is. This is how you can do. So what you could do is either your FDM tool would work to send a profile, or if it doesn't work, then what you can do is create one-liner script, deploy it, or a profile, select this file to make changes and enable it. Let me know if you need help. This is how I'm going to do. No, I'm going to do using Kandji, but you can do it using a script as well. But if you need any help, let me know. We could create custom profile as well. You know, custom profiles. You could do all kinds of settings. Anything that you see any of the plist file can be managed using the custom profile. So you could use that as well. Well, that's it for today.